accessories and personalization is still one of the most important why buys of a customer, reasons why a customer is buying a car. So this is why it is very important to offer opportunities to customers to accessorize and personalize the car. And the best moment is to show the accessories at the same moment a new car is launched. This is why we have invested in the last few years a lot of time and resources to improve and accelerate the process of developing accessories. And we do that together with the same designers and engineers that are developing the new truck, so that we are sure to have the best fit and finish and the best combination of accessories and the vehicle. This is why we are going to have in the market almost 200 accessories ready when the car hits the dealer showrooms. Well, the beauty of the Ram truck is that obviously compared, for instance, to a Jeep Wrangler, is used for work in most of the cases. So while when we accessorize a Wrangler, we work on capability, when we look at the Ram, we work on products that are gonna make the life of contractors, businessmen, easier. So a lot of related to how do you make more functional the bed of a truck. So bed liners, sprayed in bed liners, tonneau covers, whether are soft or hard, carriers, racks. But the beauty of the Ram is that at the same time those products can also be used for a customer that is enjoying a Ram for his or her lifestyle. So the carrier that can carry a ladder becomes a carrier for a kayak, for a surfboard. And so you combine both the business side of Ram and the lifestyle side of the vehicle. Not to forget that when it comes to trucks, you see also a lot of interest for personalization. It may be just a little stripe like this one, or a decal on the hood, or a performance hood. We have a little bit of everything for everyone in our 200 accessories product portfolio.